Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1, and in this video we are going to discuss important interview questions which has been asked to multiple candidates in 2021 for September cycle. And all these interview questions will be based on actual interview experience of multiple candidates. So first question was real world example of machine learning. You had to tell few points about machine learning along with real world example of machine learning. And then there was a question, what do you bring to TCS like leadership, etc.? Do you help your teammates? And in answer to this question, you cannot simply say yes. You have to mention some scenario in which you have helped your teammate. Like you have helped your teammate in solving some technical issue, or you have helped him or her in any other way. And then there was a question, will you switch companies if given legacy technology? How lockdown impacted your work? Extra learning effort, external certification. What are you passionate about? And then, have you ever given any idea in your project? Like if you have given any idea about automating any process or any method to save time in workflow in your project. What was your DCA score? This question has also been asked this time in interview. However, everyone knows that Elevate team never gives DCA score, but they are just testing you how much aware you are about all these things. You have to simply say that Elevate team never release score of any candidate. They simply send mail that you have cleared written assessment and you have to be ready for the interview. And then there was this question, what motivates you toward work, and explain a challenge faced by you and how you overcame it. And then where do you see yourself in 3 years? How long will you work for us? That is, how long will you work for TCS? And then T factor, really important thing, and you have to try to increase your T factor as much as you can. And not only that, you should have basic idea which courses you have done to increase your T factor. They may ask which courses have you done and what you have learned from those courses. And then there was a question, explain REST API. And then one of the most important question, what stands you out from your peers? Give tangible example. And then what was your DCA score? This is already done. Now what do you know about microservices architecture? However, this question is not general. This may not be asked to everyone. Such type of question will depend on which technology you are working. They will ask question from the technology in which you are working. What do you know about domain-driven development? Digital technologies which you are aware about. And this is general question. It may be asked to everyone, whatever may be your domain, whatever may be your technology, but you should aware about latest digital technology. And you must have basic idea about them. And now imagine you are a 4 to 5 year experienced employee who has got continuous 3 A bands, and this time they gave you B band and your colleague was given A band. How will you react to this situation? And now contribution to project. What you have contributed to your project as of now. And they also focus on continual learning, participation in hackathons, certifications, and only external certification matters to them. Digital technologies you know. Tell me about yourself. However, this is like mandatory question in any interview. Difference between Spring and Spring Boot. Difference between REST and SOAP. What takes more bandwidth, REST or SOAP? Stateless API versus stateful API. What would you pick to start a project, Spring or Spring Boot? However, these questions may be specific to particular candidate, but you can compare to your technologies and can prepare yourself for such type of question also. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT India.